Hello students, hope everyone is fine and doing good in your studies. Today I am going to discuss with you one of the important topics, that is role and importance of FDI in India. As we have already discussed the meaning of FDI, so what is the FDI? FDI is investment by non-resident entities like MNCs, that is multinational corporations, to carry out business operations in India with management of investment, production of goods or services, employing people and marketing their products. So they have the ownership right, they have the managerial right, and they take decision on overall activities of the business. In India, both the owner is in FDI, both the ownership and control of the firm is with the investor. That is an important thing that we have to know, that in FDI both the ownership and control of the firm is with the investor. The investor, foreign investor, usually takes a considerable stake or shareholding in a company and exerts management influences completely or partially depending on his shareholding. So, next one is role of FDI. So, what role FDI plays in our economy? FDI plays an important role in the economic development of the country. The capital inflow of foreign investors allow strengthening infrastructure, increasing productivity, and creating employment opportunities in India. Additionally, FDI acts as a medium to acquire advanced technology and mobilize foreign exchange resources. Availability of foreign exchange reserves in the country allows FDI to intervene in foreign exchange market and control any adverse movement in order to stabilize foreign exchange rates. So we know what is the foreign exchange rate. It is the rate of exchange between two currencies of two different countries. Again, now as a result, it provides a more favorable economic environment for the development of the Indian economy. There are various factors that signifies the role or importance of FDI in India. Some of which are listed here. Number one, FDI helps in balancing international payments. FDI is the major source of foreign exchange inflow in the country. It offers a supreme benefit to the country's external borrowings, as the government needs to repay the international debt with the interest over a particular period of time. The inflow of foreign currency in the economy allows the government to generate adequate resources with the which help to stabilize balance of payment. Again, FDI boosts development in various fields. For the development of an economy, it is important to have new technology, proper management, and new skills. FDI allows bringing of technology gap between foreign and domestic firms to boost the scale of production, which is beneficial for the betterment of Indian economy. Thus, FDI is considered as an asset to the economy. Next, FDI and employment. So FDI helps to generate employment, which is very important for a country like India, where unemployment problem is going on. FDI allows foreign enterprises to establish their business in India. The establishment of these enterprises in the country generate employment opportunities for the people of India. Thus, the government facilitates foreign companies to set up their business entities in the country to empower Indian youth with new and improved skills. FDI encourages export from host country. That is another importance of FDI. So, foreign companies carry a broad international marketing network and marketing information, which helps in promoting domestic products across the globe. Hence, FDI promotes the export-oriented activities that improve export performance of the country. Apart from these advantages, FDI helps in creating competitive environment in the country, which leads to higher efficiency and superior products and services. Conclusion. In the conclusion, in India, the government of India has initiated a number of steps to promote FDI, as they set an investor-friendly policy where most of the sectors are open for FDI under automatic route. So, under automatic route, no need to take any prior approval for investment from the government or Reserve Bank of India. The FDI policy is reviewed on a continuous basis with the purpose that India remains an investor-friendly and attractive FDI destination. FDI covers various sectors such as defense, pharmaceuticals, asset reconstruction companies, broadcasting, trading, civil aviation, construction, and retail, etc. Students, I think all of you have understood the role of FDI in our economy. So, in the next class, we will discuss about the role of FPI, that is foreign portfolio investment in the Indian economy. Till then, I conclude here. Thank you.